Hello friend. Hello friend, this is Priyanka. Uh, Hello friend, this is Priyanka, and now very warm welcome in my YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel name is Chat in English. Now my channel is very new and please use I want your support and love. So namaste. Now in this video I want to share a new thing. A new thing is how to explain a new thing, how to explain anything, how to explain anything or any situation, anything or any situation in front of anyone without any hesitation, how to explain in English. So मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि आप किसी चीज़ को देखिए, उसको देखिए, एब्जॉर्ब करिए और आपको किसी भी आई थिंक ग्रामेटिकल रूल्स की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. नो नीड ऑफ मोर ग्रामेटिकल रूल्स. आई नो, आई अंडरस्टैंड ग्रामर रूल is necessary. I know grammar rule is necessary, but according to me, grammatical portion is very complicated while speaking, because this is the rule, this is the fully rule. So in speaking I think we only know a little knowledge. You have only little knowledge of grammatical rules. So you can speak. So you can speak very fluently. You can speak very fluently in front of anyone. So no need of fully grammatical rule while speaking, because English speaking, I am talking about English speaking as a language. You treat as a language, like Hindi, you treat like a Hindi. So think in English, whatever is stuck in your mind, whatever, not in Hindi. If you think first Hindi and then translate in English, so this is the very difficult, because that time you start to insert English grammatical rule from translating. So this is the very complicated way of learning speaking of English. So this is the very slow process. But just I am telling you, you think anything only in English and speak in front of anyone. Don't hesitate, be confident. Don't hesitate, build confidence, and always be confident, speaking, and always be confident while speaking in front of anyone. Okay, so मेरा सिर्फ इतना ही कहने का मन है, सिर्फ कि आप सिर्फ इंग्लिश में जो भी आप सोचते हो इंग्लिश में सोचो. आप हिंदी में मत सोचो. फिर हिंदी में आप सोचोगे तो हिंदी में सोच के फिर आप उसको ट्रांसलेट करोगे इंग्लिश में. फिर इंग्लिश में जब ट्रांसलेट आप करोगे तो आप सारे जो भी आपको ग्रामेटिकल रूल आप जानते हो आप उसको अप्लाई करने लगोगे. तो दिस इज़ द वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, दिस विल बी वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. नाउ हम लोग को इंग्लिश को बस एज अ लैंग्वेज की तरह ही समझना है, एज अ हिंदी, बिकॉज वी डोंट have any environment of English speaking. So that's why this is the reason we can't speak. That's what This is the reason we can't speak English in front of anyone very confidently. When we get done, when we get done of speaking someone in front, so my mouth, our mouth, fridge. My mouth, our mouth is fridge. So this is the hesitation. This is the hesitation. I can't say that. I can't say that. You don't know anything, but you know everything. You know everything. Grammatical rule. You know how to write, how to read. You know everything. How to write, how to explain in writing way, and how to understand whatever, how to understand whatever saying in front of anybody. But when you get time, your mouth is fridge. So this is the reason is only hesitation, sameness, hesitation and sameness. So you remove your hesitation and sameness. You build your confident. We always confident and be positive in front of anyone while speaking. So मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स यूज करो, जैसे हेलो एवरीवन, हाय, हेलो एवरीवन, हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग. दैट इज द वेरी स्मॉल sentences. You start speaking like this. You start speaking like this. So you will become very fluent one day in English. So this is the, but you start, whether you know grammatical rule or not. This is the another matter. But you speak, start. टूटी फूटी कुछ भी आती हो आपको, कुछ भी आती हो, बट आप बोलो. बोलने से ही आपकी फ्लुएंसी होगी, बोलने से ही आपकी फ्लुएंसी आएगी. नहीं बोलोगे, केवल सोचते रह जाओगे. आप ये सोचोगे व्हेन विल गेट वेरी ग्रामेटिकल रोड, व्हेन विल गेट वेरी मास्टरी, then will I deliver, then will communicate, speak in front of anyone. This is the not good way. You start now, from now. Okay, so I want to share something with you, how to explain anything in front of anyone. So मैं आप लोग के सामने किसी चीज़ को कैसे एक्सप्लेन किया जाता है इन इंग्लिश में, ठीक है, इंग्लिश में किसी चीज़ को कैसे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं उसको मैं आप लोग को यहाँ पे शेयर करने जा रही हूँ. सो लिसन वेरी केयरफुल. दिस इज द डाइपर, दिस इज द डाइपर and this diaper is for my baby. You know very well, you all of know this is the diaper and where we can use, हम कहाँ इसे यूज कर सकते हैं. So this is the diaper. This diaper is made in India. And this diaper name is Mimi Poco. This is a small size. Diaper, and this diaper I bought. For my son. So this is the explanation. This size I can say that this is the this diaper size is small size, and this diaper quantity 56 diapers in this whole packet. 56 diaper in this whole packet. So and also this diaper also claim all night absorb 12 hour. So this is the situation, how to explain anything. And this diaper I bought last Sunday. This diaper I bought last Sunday for my son, because my son is very little now. That's why I bought this diaper. This is the situation. How to explain anyone? How to explain anything? Yeah, anyone in front of anybody, everybody. Okay, don't hesitate, feel confident and speak now. So thank you, bye bye, and see you in next video. And please share this video, like this video and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Namaste.